YouTube. It's Troublemaker Therapy back with another video. Today, I will be showing you some shoes that I was sent by an Instagram seller. Before I get into this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure if you guys are new to the channel, you guys subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both links are in the description. And if you haven't already entered, take advantage of this $500 I'm giving away. We almost at 30,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys enter in the giveaway. The giveaway will be floating up here or maybe at the end of the video. You never know. But we do have a $500 giveaway going on right now. Now, big shout out to the Instagram seller right here who sent me these beautiful shoes.
A few moments later.
I don't know why I picked these up. Haven't had the UA pairs, and this Instagram seller reached out to me, was like, hey, you want to do a video for me? I said, sure. They was like, hey, pick a shoe. I said, okay, I'm gonna pick these. They said, okay, here, fine, take them. And I said, okay. And I must admit, man, these are very, very heavy shoes. Super duper heavy. But all in all, I kind of like the shoe. Craftsmanship is decent. Comment down below, let me know how you feel about them. I don't know if the toe box is bulky, but I was looking at videos and it was just like, you seen some with the bulky toe box, some of them didn't have a really bulky toe box. If you got a retail pair of these, let me know how your pair came. These look pretty good. Nike Air on the back, but I like the placement of the right here. This is the placement of this. I hate the color though. I hate the way it doesn't go together with the shoe. I usually cut that off. But yeah, I'm gonna keep them on there. Comment down below, let me know how you feel about these. I like them. Medial side. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. Quality, materials, everything is good on this, so I ain't mad at the seller. Like I said, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you want any more information, or you can check out the seller yourself. Like I said, they sent me these to review, and I have no complaints, man. Let me know how you feel about the on foot, man. And hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and like I always tell you guys, man, be careful what you're buying because these shoes are coming good. And this is another shoe that looks pretty good, a little bit on the heavy side, but other than that, had them on feet. Wifey was like, yo, those look nice on your feet. I said, oh, all right, where? You want me to wear these? She said, yeah. I said, okay, cool, I'll wear them. So yeah, man, comment down below and let me know how you feel about these. Is this a shoe that you would rock? Or is this a shoe that you would just be like, nah, I'm gonna move on, I'm good, I'm good on those. Let me know, man, let me know. But, Troublemaker Therapy, love you guys, stay safe. The people who won the raffle yesterday will be shipping out your shoes tomorrow. Salute to Rob Money, Alejandro, and my guy, Red Hood Turtle. Love you guys. Appreciate the support. We will keep running raffles. And see you guys later, man. Comment down below. Let me know how you feel about these. I'm out of here, y'all.